In this video, we will quickly cover connecting your Laelaps system to your iPhone or iPad and show you a few additional controls. Launch the Laelaps app by tapping the app icon. If you've not already done so, please accept the location use request so the app will properly track the location of your handheld device. While the app finishes launching, press the black power button below the LEDs on your gateway communicator control panel and verify that the green LED below the chain icon is fast flashing. This indicates that your gateway communicator is in Bluetooth pairing mode. If it is timed out and is slow flashing, simply press it one time quickly to restart the pairing mode. Tap the icon of the chain with a broken link in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the gateway pairing pop-up menu. Select the gateway you wish to connect by tapping on its name. The pop-up menu will close automatically when paired. Tap the three bars to the left of the Laelaps name at the top of the screen to open the home menu. You will see the gateway's battery level updated from being grayed out to a current level reported from the gateway. Tapping on the gateway's name will open the gateway menu where you can change the name among other features. Go ahead and tap the edit button and put in a new name. We're going to call this one New Gateway. You can also change the VHF channel for the gateway and the collars by selecting the down arrow if you need to. Additionally, there's all collar controls, which will turn on the strobe or do a vibrate tone to all of the collars at one time. At this point, hit the back arrow button to go return to the home menu. Turn on your first collar by pressing the black power button below the LEDs on your collar control panel and verify that the green LED below the chain icon is fast flashing. This indicates that your collar is in Bluetooth pairing mode. If the collar appears in the home screen, your collar is already paired. If not, tap the Add Collar button towards the bottom of the menu to open the Add Collar pop-up menu. Select the collar you wish to add from the list of available advertising collars. If there are no collars shown, press the black button below the LEDs on your collar a second time quickly in order to make sure that it's still in pairing mode and has not timed out. Once you have paired your collars, you may need to turn on the radios so that they can broadcast their position to the gateway. Do this by tapping the button to the left of the collar name. When the radio is on, it will turn green. When you first turn on collars and gateways, you will know that you've obtained and transmitted their positions as soon as you see the battery level no longer grayed out and showing the current level, much like it is updated in this screen where it is now showing 64%. You may view individual collars information and change the settings by tapping on the collar name. I'm going to scroll down and turn the alert sounds off right now on this collar since it's already acquired a point. We'll talk more about that in a minute. You'll notice at the top of the screen you can see the location last updated and the distance away for this collar. Above that is the collar name. You can change the collar name by tapping on the edit button and changing the name. Once you're done changing the name, you can either hit return or type done or hit the done button. Collar color can also be adjusted by simply scrolling to a new color. The GPS enabled button is the same button that's next to the collar name in the previous menu that turns the GPS broadcast on or off. You can change the VHF transmission interval from 1 to 60 seconds. We recommend a 5-second interval. You can also change an individual collar VHF channel if you need to. That's a more advanced feature that we can talk about later. The LED beacon is the LED that's on the collar strap. You can set it to different intensities between low, medium, and high. You can also set it to strobe. This is useful if you're hunting in low light conditions. Point sensitivity and tree sensitivity can also be adjusted from off, which will not indicate a point or a tree, to low, medium, or high. We recommend leaving both of these settings on low. The alert sound and the vibrate sound are the controls for your phone settings to let you know if a tree or a point has been triggered. Vibrate will send a tone and vibration to the collar in order to tell the dog a nonverbal command. You can turn on breadcrumbs by simply flipping the switch. These are all of the features of the collar menu other than the delete collar function at the very bottom. If you want to delete a collar, you can press that button and it will confirm whether or not you truly intended to delete. At this point, go ahead and return back to the main menu by hitting the left arrow, and you'll now see the changes that we have implemented for that collar. You may return to the map by tapping to the side of the menu on the map location. In this instance, you'll notice that there is a blue arrow with a red dot at the end. The red dot indicates that the collar is on point. When the collar is moving, that dot will go away and you'll simply see a blue arrow. It happens to be overlapping the indicator for our location since we're in close proximity. If the dog goes into tree mode, you will see the arrow is replaced with a tree. Thank you for your time.